existing records. మీకు యాక్సెస్ నేను వన్స్ పేమెంట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత యాక్సెస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాను సో దట్ యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ ట్రాకింగ్.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో వీ హ్యావ్ టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కీవర్డ్స్. వన్ ఈస్ డేటా అండ్ అదర్ వన్ ఈస్ టైప్స్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ టూ, ఐ మీన్ ఈ టూ కీవర్డ్స్ అనేది కంపల్సరీగా మనం యూజ్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాం అంటిల్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్లాసెస్, SAP క్లాసెస్, బికాజ్ అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్. డిక్లేర్ చేయాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీగా వీ షుడ్ యూజ్ డేటా అండ్ టైప్స్. Okay. So in order to explain this, we have two types of data types. What are those?
Integer, float.
Two types of data types: numeric and non-numeric. Sorry.
Okay.
Predefined and user defined. And in the predefined, again we have two types. One is numeric, another one is non-numeric.
Characters. Non-numeric.
So numeric means we have like integer, packet decimal. There is no float. We have another term called packet decimal. Decimals. మీకు డేటా టైప్స్ అంటే తెలుసు కదా?
Yeah, తెలుసు.
Yeah. Non-numeric means we have like character, string like this. Okay. I mean ఇవే కావు ఇంకా ఉంటాయి, but for the moment for explaining I'm just saying. Okay. Now in Java or C, wherever, how you declare an integer variable?
Int A is equal to 5 like that.
Int A semicolon, right?
Yes.
But whereas in ABAP, how we declare is data A type I. This is the way how we declare.
In ABAP, how sir?
Data A type I.
Data A type. Oh, data A type integer.
Yeah. A is a variable. So A is called. కనబడుతుందా అండి స్క్రీన్?
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
So A is called variable or data object of integer type, like this. Okay. A is called variable or data object of integer type. Now, so if I say here, let us see how to declare here. మీకు ఎస్టర్డే రికార్డింగ్ నేను పంపిస్తాను. క్లాస్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇవాళది నిన్నటిది పంపిస్తాను. So what is the transaction code for creating the program?
SC38.
Very good. So here you need to start with Z. Say suppose Sarita underscore data types. I'm writing it. Okay. Say create your data types, executable type program, and I can declare in local object, that is $TMP. ఎందుకంటే మనకి ప్రొడక్షన్ డెవలప్మెంట్, ఐ మీన్ క్వాలిటీ అండ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ సిస్టమ్స్ లేవు కదా, సో మనం ఎక్కడికి మూవ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో జస్ట్ డిక్లేర్ ఇన్ $TMP. సో నిన్నేంటంటే అసలు రియల్ టైమ్ లో ఎలా చూపిస్తాము, ఏం చేస్తాము అనేది చూపించండి. క్లియరా? So save it. Now here what happens? I need to write the code saying data A type I. So ఇక్కడ కీవర్డ్స్ చూసారండి, కీవర్డ్స్ అన్ని బ్లూ కలర్ లో వస్తాయి.
బ్లూ కలర్.
So A equal to say 100 and write A equal to comma A. What happens now?
A will print and 100 will print.
A, sorry?
A 100 it will print.
Yes, A equal to 100. So now first what we need to do? We need to activate the program. మీరు దీంట్లో ఉన్నారండి వాట్సాప్ లో?
యాక్చువల్లీ అన్ఫార్చునేట్ డిలీట్ చేశాను సార్, మళ్ళీ డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తానండి.
ఓకే, మీరు అంటే వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఉన్నారు కదా, ఆ గ్రూప్ లో మిమ్మల్ని కూడా వేస్తాను, అంటే 8 AM బ్యాచ్ నాకు.
ఓకే ఓకే
సో దట్ మీకు కూడా వాళ్ళతో టచ్ ఉంటుంది, యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఇంటరాక్షన్. రైట్ నౌ, సో ఇఫ్ a equal to what it means 100, fine. నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐ సే నేను ఇప్పుడు వాల్యూ ఫీల్డ్స్ యాడ్ చేయాలంటే, వేరియబుల్స్ యాడ్ చేయాలంటే
A is again data, A is equal to type like
సో ఫీల్డ్ డేటా అని రాయాలా? అవసరం లేదు, ఎందుకంటే
no need, I think no need.
వీ కెన్ పుట్ కాలన్. సో మీకు జనరల్ గా దీంట్లో ఏం రాస్తాం, ఇంట్ A, B, C అని రాస్తాం.
Yes.
బట్ ఇక్కడ కాలన్ ఇలాగే సేమ్ కాలన్ రాసి కామా బి టైప్ అయ్యి కామా సి టైప్ అయ్యి ఇట్లా రాస్తాం.
ఓకే
ఓకే, డిఫరెన్స్ అర్థమవుతుందా?
యా.
ఈక్వల్ టు 200 ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్పేస్. మేక్ షూర్ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు లేదు, దీన్ని ప్రతి చోట స్పేస్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఒక లైన్ స్పేస్, అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ స్పేస్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ మీన్? దట్ మీన్స్ డెఫినెట్లీ వీ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ స్పేస్
Okay.
హియర్.
Space.
యా,
Sorry sir, I didn't get you.
స్పేస్ అన్న అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ స్పేస్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి.
ఓకే.
మీరు రాసేటప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు నేను స్పేస్ ఇవ్వలేదు అనుకోండి, ఆ కీవర్డ్ అలా
మొత్తం
స్పేస్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తే అది కీవర్డ్ లా తీసుకుంటుంది. అంటే ఒక కంపల్సరీగా ఒక అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ స్పేస్ ఉండాలన్నమాట ప్రతి వర్డ్ కి మధ్యలో.
ఓకే.
అందుకని ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి, ఏ ప్లస్ స్పేస్ ఇచ్చా, అదే స్పేస్ ఇవ్వకపోతే అది ఎర్రర్ గా తీసుకుంటుంది.
ఓకే.
సో మేక్ షూర్ దట్ యు గివ్ స్పేస్. అండ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దగ్గర కూడా డోంట్ ఎవర్ రైట్ కంబైన్లీ, యూ నీడ్ టు గివ్ స్పేస్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, కామా B type B and C type C is equal to C, like this. Now activate it. So when I activate it, so it prints A equal to 100, B equal to 200 and C equal to 300.
300. Okay.
Now suppose if I say B type C, C means it's a character.
Character. Okay.
Say Sarita. Right? Now I cannot add a Sarita and 100, so I say 300 here. Now what happens? What it prints?
It will print 100 Sarita, and I think character means it will take only one letter.
Perfect, perfect. So this is what you wanted. So it gives only yes.
Okay.
So I need to give size. How to give size? Say B of 10, like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when I give size, so it takes 10 characters. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Now whenever I mention B of 10, I don't need to mention type C also. By default, system understand it's a character.
Oh.
Like this.
Sir, here do we need to run the program or only?
1 second, Sarita. 1 second. Getting call. Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Satya garu. Sorry, and college.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. So
Okay.
B type string. So if I say string, what happens?
B type string. String means it will take whole name.
It will take whole name. So
Whole name.
yes, see this. Now, which is advantage? A string or a character?
Character means space, memory will not be lost. How many characters it will be?
Which is
Don't know, sir. I think
okay. See,
character is the best.
character. Why? Because character have fixed amount of size, fixed size. Okay.
Okay.
Before execution only, the amount of size is fixed. But whereas string na, it will allocate memory
Yes.
at the time of execution. Okay, it will allocate memory at the time of execution, which causes the delay of output.
Okay.
So if it delays the output, what happens ultimately? Performance issue. Am I right?
Yes.
So always character is better. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now next is if I say p decimals 2, what happens?
It will print decimal values, two decimals.
So 300.00.
200. Yeah.
Now here when I execute, it prints 300.0. Now if I say suppose 300.52, then
300.5.
it prints what? 300 point?
52.
Sure.
Sir, I'm not getting your voice, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Now it's okay.
Okay. So will it print 300.52?
Yeah.
So let us see. What is happening?
It is showing some error.
So what is that error? I mean, what it is saying?
We have to give space, I think.
Where?
300 point space 52.
Okay.
No.
Why we need to give space?
Sir,
Why we need to give space?
uh, it will take it as a keyword. So keywords we have to give.
No, it is not a keyword. It's just a value, right?
It is a value, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So what is happening is SAP thinks that point is the end of the statement.
Okay.
So as it is the end of the statement, 52 is not defined, it is saying. That's why.
Oh, okay, okay.
In this case, what we need to do is we need to put it in the single inverter. Like this. Now see,
Oh, okay.
got the point?
Yeah.
So 300.52.
Right. Okay.
Now, so let us see here. Executed, it prints 300.52. Now, if I say packet decimal 3, then what it prints? It prints 300.526.
520.
Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Next. next what we have is user defined data type. So what is user defined data type? Have you heard about this?
Type of data we have to define.
Exactly. So there are data types which are declared by
User.
user for customization purpose. Like this. Okay. Now, if I see here, what is the syntax is? Can you see another keyword types is there? Keyword types. So if I say types, A type I, what happens?
A type
I.
I means a value will be integer.
A value will be integer, or A also it's one of the data type now of integer type.
No, A is not the data type. A is the integer value. A is the value.
Then what is the difference between
Variable.
data A type I and types A type I?
Data A means A is a variable, sir. It means it will take some value like string type or integer type, any type. It is a data.
Very good.
And type I means integer data type. What type of data we are giving, that is type.
So types A type I means A is called now a new user defined data type.
Okay.
So this is now data type of which type?
Integer.
Very good. Of integer. Yeah. Now, so let us see here. If I declare on the top, first we need to declare types. So types A type I. So now here A is there, here A is there. Can I use both A?
I think we can use.
We can use because this is declared with types and this is declared with A data,
Type
and
data.
A is called data type and this A is called data object. Both are different.
Okay.
Now instead of I, can I say A now?
Instead of I,
Can I say A?
yeah, data types. We can, yeah, we can say.
We can say, see this? No syntactical error. So activate output will be the same.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Output will be the same. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Yeah.
But with confusion, sir, like a type data and type with confusion.
See, types, when I use types, we declare user defined data type.
Okay.
So when I declare data, that means I am declaring a data objects or variables, you can say.
Okay.
You understand? Data for data types we cannot give values. But see, simply I can say here, see, suppose there is data A type I. Okay. So now if I say here, this type is there, na? This is the type. Okay. Before this type, whatever we declare is called data object or variable.
Okay.
After type, whatever we declare, what is called? Is called data type.
Data type.
See, this type is there, na? In between types.
Yeah.
Before this type,
Yeah.
whatever I declare is
Before.
called variable.
Yeah. Okay.
After type, whatever we
After
declare is
type,
called
data type.
data type. Now, if I declare types on the top, A type I,
Okay.
so I am declaring A as a data type now.
Okay.
Of which type? Of integer type.
Integer type.
So that's why as now A also becomes, or I can say if you are confused, Sarita type I say.
Okay.
So instead of
Sarita is a
integer now.
okay.
So I say A type Sarita by declaring on the top that one.
Oh,
Now it's
okay.
because after
Yeah.
type whatever you write, it should be a data type only, whether it's a user defined
Data
type
type
or
only.
defined
Okay.
type.
Okay.
Got it? So here also I am showing. Suppose if I
Yeah.
say Sarita type I, so I can write what? Sarita here, like this.
Okay.
Because I am declaring Sarita as a data type.
Yeah.
Any confusion?
Mhm.
Hello?
Yeah, sir.
It's clear?
Yeah.
Right. Now, if I comment this, what happens? So for commenting, what is the syntax is? Control less than symbol for commenting all the selected lines at a time, and control greater than for uncommenting all the selected lines at a time.
Okay.
Okay? So type say type I commented. So what happens? See, so it will say Sarita is unknown. Understood?
Hello.
Hello?
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Oh, and speaking only. Okay.
Some
You are connected with broadband or data card?
broadband only, Wi-Fi.
Okay. Okay. It's clear now. When I comment Sarita type I, so I say A type Sarita. So
Okay.
Sarita now it is saying Sarita is unknown.
Uh,
Right?
I mean, we didn't as a type.
We didn't. Sorry.
We didn't declare that. Didn't mention that Sarita is a data type.
Exactly.
We,
So like this.
any,
So whenever I declare this only,
yeah.
yeah. So got the point?
Yeah.
Fine. Next. What is a structure means?
Structure. Uh, no idea, sir. I think
Structure is a collection of
objects and
dissimilar data types.
okay.
So how you declare a syntax in C language? Any idea?
Structure is mm-hmm.
No, right? Okay, fine, no issues.
No.
Like generally we declare in C language as structure
Structure x is equal to
semicolon parenthesis bracket, and we will declare the fields and close parenthesis bracket semicolon.
and close. Yes.
Right? But in ABAP
Yes.
it's simple, not so much complicated. Simply we can say data begin off. Begin off means nothing but parenthesis bracket. Okay? We'll write in English. Begin off structure name, fields in between, end of structure name. This is the syntax in ABAP.
Oh, okay.
Simple, right?
Yeah.
Right. So let us declare one program by using structures also.
Okay.
So when I say data begin off, okay, employee is who? Employee is a structure name, and say
Okay.
employee number type I, employee name of size 10, type C, and employee salary type I, and say end of employee. So what is this called?
Employee data completely.
Employee, right? So now
Yeah.
if I say employee, how to give values in for a structure fields? How you give values?
Employee number equal to someone. Employee name equal to Sarita in colons.
Employee.
Employee number equal to
Say 100 suppose. Can I give like
yeah.
this? So let us see
Yeah.
synthetically. It's wrong. It is saying employee number is unknown. It is saying.
Okay.
Why?
So we have to give employee equal to object. We have to create an object to employee.
See, what we need to give is, so in C language or Java, you say structure name dot field name.
Yeah.
So as dot is here represented as the end of the statement, so where they are given as structure name hyphen field name.
Okay.
So definitely we need to mention the structure name hyphen field name, otherwise it won't understand, because these fields are not independent fields like data A type I. They are not independent
Okay.
fields. These belongs to employee structure.
Employee.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Now let us see here. Employee hyphen employee name,
Name.
employee salary, like this. And when you write also, you need to print like this.
Okay.
Like this. Now just activate it. Now execute it. So it prints 100, Sarita 1.
Just wait, sir. I'm waiting for output screen.
Okay, okay.
Sir, do we need to run the program after activation?
Yes. It's better to run the program after activation.
Okay.
It's clear?
Mm.
Now. So when I execute, it prints the output. Okay? Now. Suppose if I want to give another employee, then
Again, we need to write the data begin of employee one. Okay, okay. For another employee details, we need to.
yes. So another employee, you need to write it. And in the same way, another employee.
Take it. Okay.
So I say employee 1, say 101. Okay. And here when I'm printing, so I need to say employee 1 here.
Employee one.
Okay. Now it prints what? So all the data.
Uh,
But if 10,000 employees are there, do we need to write like this? Every employee?
no, sir. I think it is not possible to write all the data.
It's a complex program, right?
Yeah.
So what we can do? Alternatives.
I
So,
think we can.
yeah, tell me.
I think some concept is there in MS Office macros.
So here, what we do is, instead of writing again data, just you declare types 1. Suppose
Okay.
I say types and say structure name, something like that. Okay, like this. Now, when I say types, what is this called as? Structure name is called is a user defined data type.
Define data type.
Of which type?
And which type of structure means collection of data types, right?
Yeah, of which type it is now.
Structure name is a character. In this structure type.
Very good. Of structure type only. Structure is
Okay.
also one of the data type now. You understand?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So now struct name is a user defined type of structure. So can I say instead of writing again structure, so I can say employee name structure name, right? Employee one type structure name. Like this.
Okay.
So what is that meaning? Employee is of type this particular structure type.
Okay.
So now employee consists of these three fields indirectly. Am I right or wrong?
Okay. Yeah.
Are you clear now?
Yes.
So that is the use of types. Types are very, very important. Declaration pointer.
Okay.
So when I execute it, it prints 100, 10, 1 lakh like this. Okay. Now when I say suppose employee one has a different structure, not like same structure, it has a different structure. Like begin of employee one, which consists of these three fields. Along with this, we have another field. A bonus is there in between. Employee salary and bonus. Okay. Now bonus field is added here. 10,000 bonus. So here employee one knife one
Bonus. And bonus.
bonus like this. Now what happens?
You can print all the data.
It will
Print four fields.
four fields data, right? Now understood this one?
Yeah.
See, now suppose is that only employee one will have the bonus in a company?
No, no, no. Some not only one employee. Some employees will get the bonus. I think all the employees.
So few employees also will have bonus, right?
Yeah.
So in order to see who are the employees of bonus, so again what we need to say instead of declaring as data, huh? So what we
Uh,
can say, we can
again,
declare as another type,
type. Yeah.
which is of, so you can put like this, structure name underscore bonus, like this, the name of the structure.
Oh. Okay.
Now whoever having the bonus will be of type, okay, structure name underscore bonus. Whoever doesn't have the bonus will be of type structure.
Structure name.
Yes, like this. Suppose employee 2 doesn't have the bonus, structure name, and employee 4, 3 has a bonus, like this. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt in this?
Mm-hmm.
Now, suppose there is no data, employee 1 has moved out of company, there is no data in employee 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I say move, I want to move the data of employee to employee 1. So move employee to employee 1. Suppose.
Okay.
So what happens? Move employee to employee 1.
employee data will move to employee 1.
Yes, but here employee consists no, not consists of bonus, right? So what will be the bonus data
Yeah.
of employee 1?
Mm, don't know, sir.
So let us see, do we get a syntactical error or syntactically correct?
Syntactically, it will okay, correct.
Syntactically it will,
But logically,
yes.
um, it won't print the bonus, I think.
It won't bring the bonus, or let us see. So what is happening here is,
Hmm.
employee is the one structure which consists of employee name, employee salary. 100,
Yeah.
Sarita, 1 lakh.
Yeah.
And another one called employee 1, which consists of employee number, employee name,
Number,
bonus,
name,
and employee.
bonus, salary.
So I say move employee to employee 1.
Employee 1.
So
Okay.
what is happening is, this simply moving without checking the field names,
Okay.
like this, like this. So in the bonus, salary is coming. Alright?
Yeah.
See the output, which is wrong,
Mm.
right? So
Yeah.
the condition is, if two different structures are there,
Okay.
and if we are moving data from one structure to another structure, then we need to use move hyphen corresponding instead of move.
Mm.
So if I say move hyphen corresponding, okay. So what happens? Move
Okay.
hyphen corresponding means,
It will print as this.
so it will print. We check the field names. So now bonus is 0, salary is 1 lakh. So
Yes.
what is happening here is, instead of this employee number will check with all the 4 fields. Employee name will check with all the 4 fields. Employee salary is checking all the 4 fields and moving the data.
Okay.
So, but one disadvantage is there. That means there is a performance issue because each field is checking with all the 4 fields.
Yeah.
So move corresponding gives the correct data but has a performance issue. So instead of move corresponding, I can do in an alternate way. What I can do is, instead of directly using move corresponding, I can directly move the value into this. That means employee of an employee number value I'm moving into employee 1 hyphen employee.
Okay.
You got my point?
Yeah.
The employee 1 hyphen bonus is not coming anything, so empty. Like this. So output will be the same, but no performance issue. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Now here I can declare a deep structure also. What is the meaning of deep structure is?
D structure.
Deep.
Deep structure.
Yeah.
Mm. Mhm. No idea, sir.
Deep structure means in the structure multiple structures.
Okay.
Okay. In the structure
Yeah.
multiple structures. So here what happens is, instead of bonus, suppose if I say bonus in the next year. Okay. Now tell me, these 3 fields belongs to which structure?
Where, sir? I'm not seeing yours. Mm. Sir?
Yeah, hello.
Ah, sir.
These 3 fields belongs,
This is belongs to structure name bonus.
no, these 3 fields, only these 3 fields.
Structure name only.
Yes. So instead of writing these three fields, I can write like this. So I need to put the dot here. That means that will be ended. So remove these three fields
Okay.
and say include type structure name like this. Dot.
Oh,
So that
okay.
means include type structure name means that means I am including these three fields. Okay.
Yeah.
So as this is dot, that becomes the end of the statement. So for bonus, what I need to do is again I need to write types here. Then only the
Mm.
system will take it as the field belongs bonus also belongs to this particular structure. Now see this,
Okay.
no error.
Mm.
Here,
Mm.
Sarika?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Now suppose I can declare for bonus also another structure. Say types begin of bon is the structure name, and in that it consists of a field called bonus type I and say end of bon. So what is this called? Another structure type, right?
Another structure type. Mm.
So instead of this one, I can say include type bone dot, and here I need to keep types. That means this begin of end of belongs to that begin of. This is the way it is.
Mm.
So within the structure, multiple structures.
Yeah.
Clear? Any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
Any doubts? Okay, here.
Yeah, sir.
So
Sir,
next.
here types begin structure name is there, right, sir?
Uh huh. Uh huh.
Just wait, sir. Program. Yeah, structure name underscore bone is there, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So here we can include type bonus we can give right here.
Where? Where?
Include type bone we can give in types begin of structure name bone, structure name underscore
I've
bone.
written, na?
Here.
I've written, na?
Oh, okay, okay.
We'll see.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Any doubts?
Okay, sir. Fine. No, 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 no.
Yeah. So next concept is internal tables. So they are actually they just about to complete the internal tables, and you are entering into internal tables. That's the difference.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, how many classes will it take, sir? Internal tables?
Just two classes.
One class? Oh, okay.
That means to 1.5 hour. If you sit 1.5 hour, you can club with them. Okay. So
Oh,
tomorrow
okay,
at
sir.
7 o'clock we'll sit.
Okay, okay, fine, sir.
Tomorrow if you sit at 7 o'clock, you can continue with them. So by tomorrow you can.
Sure, if possible, today night I will try, sir. Today night, if possible, today night I will try because tomorrow morning 7 to 8:30 and 8:30 to continuously
Yes, yes, yes. I
maybe.
understood. I understood. Your wish. I mean, anything is fine.
So
Yeah.
okay, if there is a chance, I will take a class on in the evening only.
What about 10:30 night? Your
If
daughter will sleep.
yeah, 10:30 at 9:30 10. I'll check. I'll check.
Yeah, 10:30 we have a class then. That's better.
Okay, sir. Fine.
So today just we'll have 1 hour, 10:30 to 11:30. So okay,
Okay, sir. Fine.
fine.
Okay.
So we'll keep it by 10:30. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Thank you.
Right, sir. Bye. Bye. Well.